Hi everyone. So recently I've been making a lot of videos on MBA interviews, but I just forgot to tell you how to dress smartly for an interview. So I thought let's make a quick video telling you the right dress code and how to carry yourself best during an interview. Our placement cell at IIM Ahmedabad was very proactive. So whether it is a case presentation or it's an interview round, we always knew the right dress code for that particular event. Generally, there are three kinds of dress codes: smart casuals, business casuals, and business formals. Smart casuals include half sleeves collared t shirts along with jeans or trousers. Business casuals include half sleeve shirts along with trousers, but the important dress code for you and which is relevant for interviews as well is business formals. For men, business formal includes wearing a three-piece suit, including a shirt, a trouser, and a blazer. Wearing a blazer is always optional, but I haven't really met a single person during my MBA interviews who was not wearing it. So I think it's better not to stand out and definitely go for a blazer. When getting yourself a business suit, try ensuring two things. First is to go for a standard colored suit, like go for black, gray, navy blue, or some shade of either of them in between. That's because you wouldn't really want to stand out by wearing something like a maroon or a sky blue because that's going to look very awkward during an interview. Second is to ensure that the color of your blazer matches with the color of your trouser. So it's not a good idea to be wearing a gray colored blazer with a black colored trouser. Ensure that it's the same. That's the standard dress code for business formals. Once you have your business suit figured out, you have to match it with a collared full sleeve shirt. Now, for the shirt color, I will share a link in the description. That's a blog post that recommends you what kind of a shirt you should be wearing with what kind of a blazer. The same link will also include some recommendations for tie colors. I believe that's an important element of your suit, so you should never miss it. The common colors are red, blue, gray, brown, and black, but go ahead and check out that link for more. The final element of your suit is a pair of formal shoes. These shoes are leather shoes, generally come in colors like black, brown, or camel. You can choose black color to be safe, that goes well with every single business suit. But if you want to explore it further, here is a guide on which color goes best with which kind of a blazer. So, this is the most basic business attire that you need in order to appear for an interview. You can also notch it up one step further by wearing a wristwatch. I would highly recommend getting a haircut and trimming your beard if you have one before your interview. And the final tip would be to invest in a good leathered folder, which is preferably black in color, to hold all your documents. I got it from the nearest stationery shop, but you can also get it from Amazon. I'll share a link in the description for your reference. Now, for women, you can also wear the same suit or you can have a skirt instead of a trouser. That's the only difference. You can also get yourself a traditional suit or a sari, that's also acceptable. But during my MBA interviews, I did not see more than a single person wearing a suit. So I would say that it's rare, but that's still acceptable. When it comes to shirt, you can also refer to the same link in the description, which talks about the color combinations. That holds true for you as well. Coming to shoes, the only requirement is that your toes should not be visible, which is why bellies are considered to be formal wear. You can go for colors like black, brown, or tan depending upon what is the color of your blazer, but black would go with all sorts of suits. Please ensure that you're not wearing heels to an interview because they make a lot of noise, and secondly, there's a lot of sitting and walking around, so you would want to avoid getting tired because of them. Instead, go for wedges or flats, whatever you feel comfortable in. When it comes to your hair, you can keep them tied or untied. There's no rule there. You can keep it as you want, but there's a rule that they should not be covering your eyes. So if you have fringes, then try to trim them to a certain level such that your vision is not hindered. The last 2 points are regarding jewelry and makeup. There's no stopping you from wearing either of them. Just ensure that you're not overdoing anything and your jewelry should not be very flashy. And like I had mentioned earlier, you should also get yourself a black colored folder which looks very elegant with your overall look. I'll share a link in the description for a reference. With this, we conclude the video on dress code for interviews, and I'll also link an interviews playlist for your reference that can help you with appearing for them. Thanks for watching this.